Hello guys, once again welcome back to my another video. In today's video I'll be showing you the wild mushroom which is growing near our quarantine center. So let me just go and show you how it's growing. So let's go. Let's go and see how it's it. So you can see the weather out here. This is the weather out here right now. Let's go and see how it's growing. I'm actually waiting for the rain to fall so that it will grow much bigger. So after that I'll try to harvest it. So here comes a wild mushroom, as you can see. So you can see a lot of mushroom is growing out here. So I'm waiting for the rain. Maybe by tomorrow it might be okay, I guess. So this is how it's growing. And even here, as you can see, a lot of mushroom is growing. Whoa. And out there one tiny mushroom is there. And even here you can see. For some it might be new, but this mushroom is very tasty and it's very rare also, especially grown in hilly area. So this is how it is. And last year, this is how it's growing. And even here too. Oh, so this is how. You can see a lot of mushroom is growing here. I hope you love this. For some of you might even want to have it, if I'm not wrong. So see, this is how it's growing. So if the rain falls again, I think it will grow much bigger. And then after that I can harvest it. Yeah. So this is all about today's video. Thank you so much to every one of you for your time and for your continuous support. We'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.